This video demonstrates how to fix the error unable to update group push mapping target that occurs when pushing groups to Guru. When encountering the issue, an error message is displayed on the Push Groups to Guru page located under Applications, Guru, Push Groups on the Okta Admin Console. This error is caused because the credentials used for creating the API connection are invalid. To resolve this issue, navigate to Guru, Provisioning and Integration. Then click Edit. Enter the valid username and password from Guru. To get the username and password within Guru, navigate to the SCIM provisioning. The username is the SCIM username from Guru and the password is the SCIM token. Copy and paste these values from Guru into the Okta integration window. Click Test API Credentials and verify the connection is successful. A message should display indicating that Guru was verified successfully. Then click Save. Once the connection is successful, navigate to Applications, Guru, Push Groups, and attempt the group push again. Select the drop-down menu next to Error and select the option for Activate Group Push. The push status should update to active, indicating the push group is successful. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.